What is up, YouTube? I hope y'all are doing well. Y'all having a great new year so far. As y'all can see, I got y'all another POV drive and the big body beam, you know what I'm saying? So, you see we outside with nature right now, you feel me? Drinking a Red Bull. This is the best Red Bull, by the way. I'm just putting y'all on. This and Juneberry, probably the best Red Bulls out. So, yeah. All right, YouTube, I got y'all this POV. Man, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I had 3 videos for y'all, but I was trying to get like the mics to sound good and everything, and then I didn't want to just produce like terrible content. Like if it sound trash, I'm not gonna put it out. But the video was good, man, I'm telling y'all. But we back with some fire content. I know some people don't like the pops, but personally I do like the pops, and I do know some other people do like the pops. So just let me know if y'all want me to do a POV with no pops, just raw sport exhaust, then I will do that. Just let me know. '26, man, this is supposed to be all of our year, bro. I want everybody to lock in. Do what you didn't do in 2025 is what you do in 2026. You feel me? My phone done fell in the cup holder. Did I already pass the baby goats? I might have already passed it. No, it's right here. Look at all the baby goats, y'all. All the baby goats. I eat lamb, so I don't mess with the goats, though. I don't do the goats. Y'all, we have gained over, I think, over 80 subscribers in the past 28 days. I appreciate all the support y'all been showing, man. And we are right around the corner from 1K. So what I gotta do is I gotta stack up on a couple videos because my car is gonna be in the shop. Like, I'm not gonna be able to post. So if I film ahead of time, I'll be able to drop like right on schedule and be able, when I get my car back, start dropping again. So I'm gonna try to find some nice spots so I can do some nice POVs for y'all, get y'all something good. I'm not gonna just get y'all some trash. I like the scenery here, bro. Like, this is beautiful. Look at the trees. But yeah, my car gonna be in the shop, so I ain't gonna be able to really drop that much. So I just want to make sure all the content I do have scheduled for y'all is good, and it's not that washed out, boring content. I don't know. For me, the reason I started doing POVs, bro, I don't know, it's just something I always watch. Like, I always watching a POV. I'm always watching a car POV. Going to bed, I throw that on when I'm going to sleep or something, just chilling, relaxing. It's just cool, it's calm, it's chill. Started watching Treeshy and Adrenaline Junkie, bruh. Those are number 2. Got me into this BMW POV content. I'm gonna get something newer soon though, so. YouTube. It's my first video back in 2026. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I love engaging with y'all, man. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next POV. Way out.